So in this time, we will tackle about the radio message form coverage in the CDI-5. So the radio message form is that one used when preparing radiographic messages intended for transmission throughout the Philippine National Police or the PNP. And it is patterned after the form used in the Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP. So first is message. Message is an idea expressed in plain languages prepared in a form suitable for transmission by any means of communications. So message, a message is any idea expresses in plain languages prepared in a form suitable for transmission by any means of communications. In short, message is a communication in writing, speech, or by signal. So next is single. Sakop siya sa message. So single, a message which has only one addressee. So single, isa lang ang iyahang adtuan sa message. So next is book, a message which has two or more addresses and is of such nature that the originator considers that no addressee need be informed of the identity of the addressees. So it means sa message is kanang sa book is two or more and ang matuhan sa message, two or more ang makagain sa isa ka message. Like example ang memo, so no need to put the addresses. So next is multiple. So a message which has two or more addresses and is of such nature, the originator considers that each addressee must be aware of all addresses to whom the message was addressed. So in multiple, so all put the addressee, kailangan dito ibutang nimo ang addressee. So next is originator. So originator is the authority in whose message is sent, or is the police officer and or unit in whose name a message is sent, or is the police office and or unit under the correct control of the authority approving a message for transmission. So originator means kung asa nagsugod ang isang message, kung asa gikan, and kung asa ang message nag-start. So next is drafter. So drafter is a person who actually composes a message for a release by the originator or the releasing officer. So si drafter is siya ang nag-compose sa or nagbuhat sa message na gina-command. So next is the releasing officer. Releasing officer is a person who may authorize the transmission or a message for in the name of the originator. So si originator ang maoy na authority to release the message. So mo na siya si releasing officer. So next is text. Is the part of message which contains the idea that the originator desires to communicate. So si text is the content of your message, or the ang mo na imuhang contain sa imuhang message, or it is the idea of your message or a command.
Hi everyone, this is the continuation of the topic. So number 6 is message instructions. Normally reserved for communication center use by the originator to indicate the desired method of delivery of a message. So radio, landline, visual, mail, by hand or convey any other appropriate instructions. And number 7 is from. In this block is entered the designation of the originator. Police abbreviations should not be used if addresses outside the police service are included. And number 8, to and ATTN or info. Addresses may be designated as either actions or informations. Again, police abbreviations should not be used of addresses outside police service are included. And number 9 is security classifications. Messages are to be classified as top secret, secret, confidential, or restricted whenever their content falls within the definition set forth in appropriate regulations. And number 10, site number. This is be filled up by the originator with the office, unit, or originator site number for the message. And number 11, text. To save message transmission and circuit time required for. Normally, the message text should be prepared in block form without paragraph numbering or indenting. And number 12, reference message. If the message refers to another message appropriate identifying data, the reference message will be inserted in the block. And 13 is classified. If the reference message ID classified, the yes block will be marked, and if unclassified, the no block will be marked. And number 14 is page number and number of pages. This block will be filled according to the number of messages from pages used to complete message.
Next is drafter's name, title, and phone number. Data identifying the drafter is entered in this block. There is a drafter's name, title, and phone number is ang drafters mo na siya ang nagbuhat sa message or siya ang nag-create. Then dire po niya butang ang i-highlight po niya iyang phone number. Then number 16 is releasing officer's name, title, and signature. Data identifying the individual's authorities to release the message in the be entered in this block. There is a releasing officer's name is diri pod naga-identify po diri sa individual sa drafters or nagahatag pod og authorities to release the message para ihatag diri sa sa message. Then 17 is PNP addresses. A is the title and location or unit signations of the signing authority will be indicated. Sa diri sa PNP addresses is dapat pod makita pod sa message is makita ang title and location pod, then kung asa pod ihatag or kato po mag-sign nga authority or kinsay nagbuhat atong message dapat na po i-sign niya. Then B is zip codes of post office numbers or another coded distribution list will not be used as originator's address as part of an address. Dapat po sa message na apoy zip codes sa post office numbers. Then ang list po sa distributions dapat coded po siya. Then C is messages to a police address will be addressed to the chief of an installation or head of an agency. Then kung maghatag po kag message sa isa ka office or agency, dapat i-address nimo sa chief or ang head sa agency. Then D is geographical location or an installation of agency will be included. Dapat na po siya ang pag-send po nimo message is dapat geographical na po sa geographical location. Then next, 18 is purely civilian addresses. The originator's designation will be consist of the full title of the chief head of those messages addressed to another line agency in the government. Diri po sa purely civilian addresses is dapat po mag-consist po siya full title para sa ihatagan nimo nga agency, dapat na po sa chief yun nga name or head sa agency. Then B is when a message is for another line agency addressee or is to be delivered by a commercial carrier, handling instructions will be include the addresses portion of the message form. Diri pod sa B is dapat kung sa kuan mga private agency o dapat maghatag po ka og another line agency or addressee para ma-deliver nimo, example sa commercial carrier, handling instructions, then ma-include po dito ang address portion o message form. And mo lang to. Salamat.